That's a tornado. But it didn't touch down. It ain't touched down. It's not a touchdown one. No, it's okay, guys. Don't be scared. We're fine. Don't be scared of it. Be like, wow. Look. Check it out, dude.
We're not losing food today.
Check that out. Don't be scared. No, dude. Look at it. Change it. Look, dude. That is a funnel cloud. Watch the lightning hit on it. Dude, they love to follow that river. That's exactly what a river is, too. Every time. I don't care who you are. They follow the river. Storms follow the river. Magnetic. There's a magnetic current, dude. That is awesome. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this thing. That is wild.
There's two of them, one connecting.
Well, yeah, I don't think, no, they only touch down down here. Like, they like bounce across the ground. They're not real tornado. Look, see, it's breaking apart. It's breaking apart right there. Boom. It's over. Broke apart. Alright, cool.